Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is about me trying false eyelashes for the first time. I've never tried them before in my life because I always thought it's too much work, or I always like more natural looks even whenever I go, and I'm always scared to try them because I don't know, I just feel like they're just gonna fall off or something. So I usually just put mascara and do my makeup and just go. After watching so many videos and seeing how good they look, I thought of giving them a try. So I bought 2 pair of eyelashes, but today I'm gonna use only one. I got it from Morphe and they're called the Premium Lashes Clips Premium. I think the style is so glamorous. This is what they look like. You wanna see? I really love these lashes and looking in them. The only disappointment I have, like none of the eyelashes packet come with the glue on it, and I'm like, I'm the first time buyer, so I have to buy lashes plus the glue separate. So I paid $12 or $14 for this one, and the glue that I got, I just bought off Walmart, and it's called Duo. It's by brand, this one. I got it from Walmart. It was for $11. The other lashes that I got from Morphe, I don't have it with me right now. It was $4. They're like really simple, so I wanted to try them before, but I can't. But when my heart says just try them on, it's okay. I watched a lot of videos to how to put them on, so I hope I can do it. So before putting them on, I'm going to put a mini makeup application, and I'm going to use some of my favorite products. So let's start with the video. I always start my makeup with a moisturizer. I'm using the same Abnormal Beauty Company moisturizer. It's called Natural Moisturizer Factors Plus HA. I have a lot of skin pores, so I like using the product. It helps to minimize my pores and bring the redness in my skin a little down. I actually also bought a hyaluronic acid from them yesterday. It's for peeling. I hope it helps my pores. So I'm just gonna go with it. And then for my lips, I always like to exfoliate them before applying any lipstick or anything on them, because I like to get rid of the dead skin on my lips and make it more smoother for any lipstick application. So to exfoliate my lips, I use MAC's lip scrubbers. This is one of my favorite ones. It smells good and it really helps to exfoliate my lips, and it goes a long way. I got it like a year ago and I still have half of it. It even tastes good. Now I'm gonna apply a primer. I use the same primer. I got it yesterday and it's a silicone base. When I applied it on my hand, it felt really good. So I hope it feels good and fill up my pores. I always have a problem with primers not filling up my pores properly. So I'm using this one right here, if you guys can see. I usually apply a lot on my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin. That's where I have a lot of pores. So I'm gonna let it dry, and meanwhile I'm just gonna do my eyes before I can put my foundation on. I'm gonna use this tape for my side. I don't have the eyeshadow strips. I'm out of them right now. I'm stuck. So for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use Morphe Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. It's this one, and the colors that I'm using are this one. They're like more like fall colors, so I guess I'm gonna start with this. Base color, I'm gonna go with Color Access. It's this yellow pigmented color right here. So for my second color, I'm gonna go a little more darker in the center, and I'm gonna use Color Secure. This one right here. I'm gonna use Smooth Criminal. Like, I really like this brown color. It looks really good and rich. It looks like more autumn color. To make it a little more darker at the end, I'm also gonna use Pro. This one. Actually, I'm gonna use Point. It looks really good. This one right here. I'm try to use my finger for all the glitters, like it's easier to put them on. I tape out. So just to blend it more, I'm just going to use this side of the brush and blend it all out. always put my foundation after my eye makeup because most of the times this glitter and everything gets on my skin, so I can remove it before I actually apply my foundation or any of the eyeshadow that falls down underneath my eyes. I can always fix it up. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows before I apply the rest of the makeup. For my eyebrows, I use Anastasia's eyebrow color pot. It's in color Grey Night because my eyebrows are literally black. This is how I fill my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are already really, it's neither thin nor thick, so it's kind of sometimes, so it's easy for me to just fill up my eyebrows. All I have to do is just make sure if I have any white here, I just fill it up. Outline them first, like give it a good outline how I want my eyebrows to look. And from the front, I just start filling it up like this. Again, always do this. Now I'm gonna apply my eyeliner. For my eyeliner, I'm using Kat Von D. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Yep. So I have two of them. One is a little slanted, it's for the wing, and the other one's just a simple, precise. This one. So I just fixed my eyeliner here. It looked like this. I got the MAC 24 Hour Studio Fix Concealer. It's in shade N35. N35 is a medium neutral color. So I'm going to try to conceal all the marks I have on my face. So before applying the foundation, I try to put little concealer all on my spots so they can be concealed more and it doesn't show up more later when I finish my foundation. So after applying this, I'm going to use the Ordinary Company's foundation. So their foundation is like really good. It's full coverage and it's really cheap. I think I got it for $8. So for my second coat, I try to just pat my pores down so it can get filled into all of my pores. So to cover my under eyes, I'm going to use MAC concealer again. I try to put the concealer on my forehead because my forehead's really small. I try to put a light concealer at the top so it appears a little bit more bigger. So for my contour, I use e.l.f. So I'm just going to fix it. I'm gonna do a light contour, and for my blush I'm using MAC's Ray Beam Mineralized Blush. It's from their autumn collection, or I think spring collection. I don't remember. I got it like last month. So for my highlighter, I'm gonna use Revolution's Bronze Gold. I love their highlighters. They're like really cool colors. There's bronze, there's rose gold, there's unicorn color. Just love those. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of them here. So for my powder, I'm gonna use MAC's Studio Fix powder. It's again NC35. And for my lips, I'm using MAC's Lip Duo in Ruby Boo. I love the red colors. So for my under eyes, I'm going to use MAC's Technical Liner Eyeliner Kajal. I'm just going to apply it on my waterline. At the end, I'm going to spray MAC's Prime Plus Prep Studio Fix. It's matte. Time to put the eyelashes. I'm so excited and nervous at the same time because I haven't done this before. I hope it turns out good, otherwise it's just gonna ruin all my makeup. Oh, this is tiny. Oh, they look really nice. Look really nice. They all look like they have glue on them. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to put... I don't think they're gonna stick to it. Like if I put it on my hand, it sticks. I think I have to ship a little bit more. So I'm going to try to put it on the line. So cool, it turns blue on the lashes. So I'm not using the tweezer because I'm new to it, so I feel like my hands with the tweezer won't be that much stable than it's in my hand. Ooh, so nervous. They're on. I feel like my eyes are too small for this one. I feel like I still need to put more glue right here. I'm not sure if I can put it right now, but for the first time it's not bad. It feels really weird applying them. Like I feel like, oh god, it's gonna fall at any time. It feels so weird. Ow. It hurts a little bit. Whoa, I'm just gonna apply this again. Whoa, looks so different. Just open my hair a little bit. See, I don't know, it just feels so weird. Not sure if I put it right. I feel like this one's like still coming out. Let me try to fix it. I kind of like it, but it's like it just feels so much heavy and so different just because I'm trying it for the first time. And I feel like I messed up a little bit. It's not sticking that much. I'll have to put more glue next time. I was just scared to put the glue on my eyes for the first time. That's why I didn't put it, I think maybe the quantity that was supposed to be. But yeah, I think they look really nice. I would for sure wear them again and maybe try to order something more lighter for my eyes. I feel like it's covering a lot of my eyes, a lot of my makeup that I did. But yeah, overall I love these. But yeah, it's worth buying them, of course. If you haven't tried it before, give it a try, see if it goes with your style. I would not wear it every day, I guess, but maybe for a wedding or something. Maybe it's my best friend's wedding or something like that. I would for sure wear it. So this was the end of today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.